As always, please retry the question before watching the video. So, on all understanding questions, which are questions that actually ask you a question instead of just being question prompts, on these, we want to be very clear about exactly what it's asking. And so it's asking us to divide the paragraph into two. What two? Separate the information about Flickr's drumming behavior from the discussion about NASA's concerns regarding the Flickers. So it gives us four different options, so three. We'll start from the top of sentence two. Because they lack a distinct song, Flickers drum their beaks against hard surfaces to announce themselves to mates. The louder the noise an object makes, the more attractive it is to Flickers. Among their favorite noise makers are drain pipes, TV antennas, and even farm equipment. At the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, though, the Flicker's persistence seemed mysterious. Worse, it posed a serious risk. So these are our options. So 5 is where the discussion about NASA's concern regarding the Flickers begin. It's the first time we talk about anything other than just habits of the birds. First time we talk about the Space Center is 5. And so that's going to be when we begin to move away from just talking about the birds to bringing in NASA. And so 5 is going to be where our paragraph should be broken into 2. If this made sense to you, please add it to your cheat sheet, right, or worksheet, write what you learned and the answer, and then continue on to do the remaining placement questions that you missed on this test. If this is the final placement question, please go ahead and do the mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row on the placement section.